Turning the engine MJ61OEN. All turning good, all compression complete, and on the top all looks good, as you can see. I didn't see any damages. On this side all looks good as well, no damage, no broken. Compressor looking good, alternator looking good as well. On the back side all looks like so. I didn't see any damages, and the gearbox and starter looks good. On this side all looks good as well. Turbo in good condition, and on the top all looks like so. I didn't see any damages, and underneath all looks good, no damage, no broken. Turning the engine MJ61OEN. Thank you.